Welcome to TLH Patterns. In today's video, I'll show you how to crochet this lovely scarf which can be made for both men and women. The scarf is about 9.5 inches wide and I made it 76 inches long. I used this yarn which is category 4 or medium worsted weight. It's about 225 meters in one ball. I used 2.5 balls and a 5 mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot and then make 42 chains. These chains are in multiples of 5 and 2 extra chains. So 40 plus 2, 42. After making the necessary chains, we'll start the first row. Work a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Then make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now skip 4 chains and work a single crochet in the next chain. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So skip 4 chains and work a single crochet in the next chain. Make 6 chains. Skip the next 4 chains. Single crochet in the next chain. Repeat this across. So this is the first row. Next we'll start the next row with 3 chains. This counts as the first stitch. Now turn and work 4 double crochets in the first chain 6 space. Then work 5 double crochets in each chain 6 space except for the last one. Into the last chain 6 space, work 4 double crochets. Then make a double crochet in the last stitch. Row 3, chain 1 and turn and work a single crochet in the first stitch and then 6 chains. Skip the next 4 double crochets and work a single crochet in the next space between the 2 double crochets. Again make 6 chains. Skip the next 5 stitches and into the next space work a single crochet. Repeat this across. Finally, make 6 chains, skip the next 4 stitches and work a single crochet in the last stitch. That's it. So these are the 2 rows that you'll be repeating, row 2 and 3. Repeat these 2 rows as many times as needed. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this pattern. You can find a return pattern in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. Thank you.